If you are looking for the best screen recording app for Android, you need to go to the Play Store and you will find this player, which is X Recorder. You can do as much as recording. I'll show you from where you can download. So here, open the Play Store, go to X and search for X Recorder. And just hit enter. You will find Screen Recorder X Recorder with 100 million downloads with 4.7 rating with 6 million reviews. So this is the best you can get. And it is very easy to, do the record. Exactly it is. Now you need to go to the settings and then go to the audio setting. And from here, you can do the setting. You can even turn on the noise reduction as well. All right. So this is a great app. You can use the free version or you can go with the pro version. It is completely up to you. Have a wonderful day.